66. I would like to give a birthday shout out to Valentina Gomez. Oh, Chase Summit. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Now to Ms. Doyle for some important announcements.
All right, well, we have a lot going on in our school.
It's
So
here!
much-
It's here! It's here!
It's cold. Okay. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. So, have you seen anything suspect in our building that's a little different than usual? Use your mic.
Maybe the snow signs?
What?
The
Snow?
blizzard signs?
The blizzard signs. You're right. There's blizzard signs all over the school. It says Blizzard Bash, right? Were you curious what that was?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I've been waiting for a phone call all day, and we just got it. We just got the phone call, and they are delivering. What are they delivering?
It's a secret.
It's a secret, but it's a lot of cold stuff. And so, you know how you guys hear of a snowman? Well, I got a snowman, and he ain't frosty.
Huh?
He's going to deliver us some snow for our Blizzard Bash. Isn't that exciting? Yeah, I know you'd be excited. So, and it's super cold in here, so we've been storing it up, right? Y'all found a place to store everything,
It's so
right?
hard. We're in Florida. It's so hard.
It's so hard. So
It's hot. It's not cold enough, but we got it.
if you walk by the front office and it feels extra chilly, it's not my attitude. It's the cold that we're storing up for this, okay? So we're excited. Here's how you do it. You have to have the next 2 weeks have your highest scores on blended learning. So we're going to explain that to you really quickly. So if you are an Amira student, you have the fortunate good luck of having an AI help you with reading. So Amira, you'll need to do minimally 5 stories a week for the next 2 weeks, starting this coming up Monday. And if you're an Amira student, that's for your reading. For math, if you're in grades 3, 4, and 5, you'll do Freckle. And how many minutes or lessons, or what do they need for Freckle, Mrs. Strunk?
So for Freckle, you'll need 2 past lessons at 70% or higher for the very minimum.
For the very
amount.
minimum. But if you want to be in the top 10% to get invited to this party, you probably need to do more than 2.
Yes.
Okay.
And not just do them, pass them with 70%
Okay.
for 50%.
If I'm in grades 3, 4, and 5, and I'm not an Amira student for reading, then I would do the Freckle. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. So Amira students, you'll do Amira for your reading and Freckle for math in grades 3, 4, and 5. Now, if I'm in grades 1 and 2 and I'm an Amira student, I would do Amira for reading, but I would do what for math?
iReady.
iReady. And iReady, how many minutes do I need to do minimally?
Minimally 45 minutes.
Okay, and that's just going to get me minimally. If I want 10%, I'm going to want to do more than that each week, right? Okay. And then if I am in kindergarten, what am I going to do? I'm going to do Waterford, right? And Waterford is both reading and math. And tell us about that, Miss Sistrunk.
Yes. So Waterford is reading and math. So for the week, you need a minimum of 75 minutes.
Miss Rock, are you excited?
I'm so excited. But I think we need to make sure they understand. I don't want you just turning your computers on and letting the time run. They got to be past lessons. We want to see those past lessons.
Yes, you have to pass those lessons and do your best, because remember, we're taking the top 10%. We wish we could invite all 800 of you to this Blizzard Bash, but we can't.
But the snow's melting.
There's not enough snow, all right? So do your best, students. Parents, help them log in at home. We can't do it all from school. We need your help at home getting this, getting the minutes that they need and the lessons passed and learned that they need to do. But they need to do it on their own without your help. That's really important. Need to do it on their own without your help. What you need to do is just monitor that they're online doing it. Are you excited?
Do you want to build a snowman?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for joining us today. Good luck for the next 2 weeks.